Every beginning has correct. Every beginning has an end to it. Likewise, every ending also has a new beginning. Right? So like that, today you have achieved a remarkable milestone in your life today. But this is not an end. This is a launch pad for your new beginning in pursuit of your dream. Agree with me? What kind of a degree? What kind of a dream? Small? How big it should be? It should be bigger than your imagination. No one should have thought about it. I remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our scientist and President of India, used to say that should aim big. Aiming less is a crime. If you don't dream big, you are committing a crime. You are cheating yourself. So, aim big in your life. Let it be impossible to achieve. It is fine. But there is a way definitely to chase that dream and achieve your goals. Agree? Remember 3 things in your life. Whenever you want to do something new or some new activity, anything new, how is it going to impact you in your career and your personal life? Number 2, how is it going to impact your family? Number 3, how is it going to impact our country? Because our country is looking for so much from next generation. We have Viksit Bharat 2047, where we are expecting our next generation to take this country to the topmost place in the world. We want India to be in the first place in the world by 2047. That is 100 years of our independence.
Prince of Srishti Global School pledge to uphold following guiding lights as we step forward from school into the world beyond. I will strive for excellence, aiming high and owning my dreams.
As we continue this tradition, the outgoing grade 10 students will now pass the light to their juniors grade 9. This symbolic gesture represents the transfer of responsibility, aspirations and values to the next batch, entrusting them with the legacy of Srishti Global School. I now ask our grade 9 students to come forward and receive the light, accepting their role as the new torch bearers of our school's spirit and excellence.
And as a mentor, I want you to know you're not just students passing out of the school. You're children who will always belong to this institution, no matter where life takes you. This will always be your home.
And to each one of you, know that you have been seen, appreciated and celebrated. Your hard work and curiosity have shaped this year in ways words can barely capture.
Namaste respected founders, Kavita ma'am, and namaste coordinators ma'ams, and namaste my dear students. So hope you you enjoyed watching the video. For a moment, it is full of tears. Even I couldn't come out of it. Alright. So, we all know today is a very special day for us, isn't it? So, today is the most memorable day for us. And it is not only memorable day for you all, it is a memorable day for us as well. So it is a day of mixed emotions, an immense pride, a touch of sadness, overwhelming hope for your future as well. It feels like when I watched the video, like day before yesterday you walked into the school, now see where you are. You are in the threshold of a beginning adventure of your new life, isn't it? So congratulations all for your future endeavors. Now, and it has been an honor to witness your journey over the past 2 years. I have seen you growing from confident learners to the talented learners. And do you remember on that day when I entered into the grade 9, like most of you are very curious how to solve this problem, ma'am. Now see, when I give one questions, my students are able to solve 10 more questions. So this is the biggest achievement. So I would like to congratulate for that. And once again, we have shared the laughter in our classroom, celebrated victories on sports fields, and navigated tough challenges together. You have a great teamwork capacity and you have a great team skills here, children. So keep it up, and I wish you all the best. So, as you step out, the world offers endless opportunities. Don't be afraid of dream big and take risks and learn from your mistakes. Stay curious, stay kind, and always believe your potential to make a difference. So, my only one suggestion for you, and I would like to express in the form of a formula. So, your effort square plus skill square will give you always squared success. So please follow that, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Respected management, coordinators, vice principal ma'am and teachers, and to all my dear friends. Today is a special day but also a sad one because we are going to say goodbye to our school, teachers and all our friends. Teachers, you all have been more than a teacher to us. You have been our guide, mentor and a very big support for our learnings.
Respected founders Sri Chandrasekhar sir, Srimati Kamala ma'am and Vice Principal Kavita ma'am, and to all my coordinators, my dear colleagues and my lovable, my dearest students. As I stand here today, my heart's overwhelmed with emotions, pride, nostalgia, joy, and a hint of sadness. Over the years, I have seen you grow with more confident, compassionate individuals. Your laughter, your excuses, and mostly your political science periods with the debates. I will miss those fiery discussions. Your friendships turns classrooms into families. Your achievements made us beam with pride. These memories are etched in my heart forever. I remember all the silly questions you asked, the project you crushed, the struggles you have overcome. Every moment contributed to the amazing people you are today. Hope now you understood that you are the heartbeat of Srishti. Just remember, the world is yours to explore. You have got wings now. Fly high, chase dreams, rise stronger, stay curious, stay kind, stay true to yourself. Mistakes will happen, but turn it into lesson. Every desk arguments of fans. Switch where you will sit. In the classroom, you will see that, right? Ma'am, Sirat will say, ma'am, hot ma'am, please on the fan. Others, ma'am, I can't sit here, ma'am. Shall I go to last bench? Today I forgot my book, ma'am. Shall I share? Ma'am, open book test or closed book test? All the questions I can see, I can listen it now also. Every desk, arguments, everything, your love, every lesson we taught, it will stay with me always. Curve your path, break boundaries, and leave a mark that's uniquely you. Carry the values you have nurtured here: empathy, integrity, and courage. The world needs your light. Best of luck for your new chapter, and know that you will be deeply missed. Thank you.
Their vision was to create a school where students are not just educated but also be taught with values, care, and purpose. I thank each one of you for making this success. I thank all the teachers and caretakers, drivers, and all the non-teaching staffs for the guidance, patience, and constant support. Finally, I thank all my dear friends for the memorable moments. We all shared notes, laughs, and stress together. We made boring days joyful and difficult days memorable. Once again, I thank each one of you for the memorable moments and love. Thank you, everybody.
Namaste, one and all present here. I don't know whether grade 10 students are emotional or not, but today I am too much emotional. This is my first farewell function I am attending as a teacher. So I still remember the first day of the school where Suki was there. Grade 6 and grade 7 was combined class, because as it was the first day, everyone left for the day and Suki was the only student who left. I asked her, I was not knowing that she was a daughter of Hema ma'am. I asked, who will come and pick you? She said no one. Then Sumitra ma'am came and said her mother is here only. Then we got to know that she is Hema ma'am's daughter. So I can recollect the complete 4 years of all those students. This is my 4th year teaching them CCS, and it's my whole and soul I can tell this IT. I thank management, vice principal ma'am, coordinators, and my friends, colleagues, everyone for supporting me and guiding me in all these ways. So I still remember the day when they came to the school with their innocent faces, smiles, totally confused. But now I can see a confident leaders who is sitting in front of me. So I wish them all the very best. So I can tell that success is important in life, but be brave to take the failures also. And same thing, success is important and character is more important than being a successful person. So be kind, keep learning, be in touch. Always our school and our hearts are open to your achievements. Come back with lots and lots of success. All the very best, my dear students. Rock. We are hoping for 90 plus marks in all the subjects. Thank you so much.
Our gurus, vice principal and coordinators, you were more than educators. You were mentors, guides and second parents. You have taught us how to be. You have taught us discipline, resilience and compassion. Thank you for your teaching complex maths by inspiring by your thoughts. We have learned so much from you. Thank you for all the things you have given us.
Namaste to respected founders Shri Chandrasekharan sir and Srimati Kamala Shekharan ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am Kavita ma'am, to all dedicated coordinators, dear colleagues and all my wonderful students present here. Today we have gathered here to bid a farewell to grade 10. As I stand before you, my heart is filled with mixed emotions, pride, joy and a touch of sadness. First,